All right, at least an half an hour has passed and I've seen many things and changed many things. Played around with the look, as it feels that it makes the black stand out. So the plus, you see more the plus in this thing than actually the Lego block. And I tried adapting it on this thing. So I first of all I copy pasted the neofetch to the ArcoLinux, to the Carli real metal machine. Took a look at the colors there, beautiful, same thing, white, red, great. So that's okay. Then I tried on that machine to switch around these, yeah, the buttons in the Lego block, right? These bumps, or how you call them, and try them to, what if I did this? What if that did that? Because the message is we are puzzling, right? It's a Lego block and you can add more stuff. So plus you can remove stuff and you have some configurations. You can be installing anything you like. X is just the thing you're looking for in mathematics, algebra and stuff. So was playing around with this and I think this will become it, right? So dollars here, XX there, plus and minus, and a percentage here to give some sort of balance between the both the diagonals. Enfin, right? Choices. What if this is your thing and that's correct? So, okay, save. So this is the last thing I'll do to it. And then the next step, I have to ask GitHub, neofetch, but maybe it's now time for me to move to the other browser, the one that loads all the stuff, and which I need to tell stop doing that, close other tabs. So we got only ArcoLinux ISO. Then I need to go to the GitHub of neofetch. Okay, so it's from Dylan, and Dylan is working quite hard on all these things. Make sure you're connected to your own GitHub. I have two GitHubs, right? ArcoLinux, Eric Dubois. So see that you're in a proper browser. That's why we have two browsers. Don't have to think about Firefox, all ArcoLinux, Vivaldi, all Eric Dubois, and Google. Nothing, no login. So best thing to do, you see here pull requests. Let's have a look. Add font size for Apple Terminal and so on. Add Fusion X. Let's see someone else here. ArcoLinux OS, one of our spin-offs, right? So added ArcoLinux. Let's have a look. So please change the code. I suppose it was already in there, and change the code to, instead of this. I must agree, this is nicer. So the green thing is a new thing, and that's the old thing. Yeah, definitely winning. So now it's up to him if the code is right and everything is set okay. So here is an asterisk. So if there is something behind it, it will also work. That's what it's saying. And there's also a small little guy. So we've not included anything small. So now it's up to Dylan, of course. He has other work to do than just this idea that he once had, right? What if? And then everything starts kicking in, and 4 years later we have still working on ArcoLinux. That's the what ifs, right? So that's what we need to get. We need to get as far as a pull request. Okay. Thing is, you need to, best thing is to copy paste, and by doing that it's called forking. So we make a fork on our ArcoLinux. Boom. But I need to choose. No, I don't see it. Here it is. ArcoLinux neofetch. ISO, right? ISO is a Carli one. We have already forked neofetch, he says. Do I? do I? Neofetch. Okay. From March the 14th, can we fetch upstream then? How to get it back? Click. How to update it again? What was that way of doing it? Can we actually unfork things? Suppose so. Never unforked anything. I suppose deleting will be working. Let me see how to do this. I think it's already all too much of work because I need to compare across forks and all that. Just removing will be easier, I think. And I don't know what I've changed in the past, so let's start again. All right, I'm out of it again. So Dylan neofetch, Dylan wraps, okay, then you fork for the first time. And I just deleted this, my friend. I just deleted this. Refresh. Refresh. Neofetch, fork. Now it's gone. ArcoLinux ISO will be created, fine. So this is the current script today, 30 December. Is copy pasting basically. Now we need to get it on my system. So get this copied. Where will we put it? We'll put it inside Carli. Not a good idea. I use all this to push. No, that's not a good idea to put it here. So in documents, I'll put it. Oh, nice, right? I hope I still like it tomorrow. Git clone. Choices. So this thing has a neofetch. What's this actually? Okay, whatever. So this is the original one. The one I have is the one we want from user bin neofetch. File, save as, where, home. I'm in root. No, my friend. Go to home, Eric, and then documents, and then neofetch, and then thinking about the movie now, and then we save. Okay, so these two guys, no, that one and that one is the difference. Compare. Dylan's copyright, that's okay. 2021. Well, let's just change it. Okay, I can't. Because LL. Because root. I just did the copy paste from a root. So I need to become ownership to user. It's mine, I tell you, it's mine. And then we compare again. So off it goes. 21, I get it. So that's not a problem. CPU usage. So this, the right one is his, right? I don't want to mess with his code. I just want to add my code. So this, show memory. A lot of changes in the meantime. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Look at all the blue things here. So, time. Time is of the essence. all the way around. This is ours. Agreed. This is the original. This is the one we want to send up to the internet. So that's gonna be easier, because now I have to go look for, come on, Control F. No, Carli. I have to look for Carli. I'm gonna add Carli behind the carbs. Remember the carbs. Save. Control find. Next. Here as well. Behind carbs, carbs, carbs. Here it is. Carli. Save. And then Control find it. Next, boom. We have CLB Mariner. No. We have end of file. We have this. This actually should come with it. Control C. There's a space in between there. Oh yeah. He uses spaces. Okay. We'll use a space too. So the carbs, here are the carbs. So enter, enter, Control V. So we've got the space there, and we've got the space between CLB Mariner. Okay, I think that's okay. And then we save. There were 3 instances. We've seen them all. Control find. I do see some spaces here. Okay. Anyway, looks good. How can we test this is good? By saving this. Saving this. Last check. Carli. Next. Next. A little space here. And that's all new stuff. So this is new stuff. CLB Mariner. That's online, but maybe not yet in a package, right? Control A, Control C, and a save. This one goes away. Ooh, I've closed it. But this is the fun with Sublime Text. Sublime Text. And there it is. So this, and unfortunately, it's not one of the files that we used recently. Nope. Too bad. So, to the computer, to the file system, to user, to bin, and then to neofetch. Double click, Control A, delete, Control V, save, Control T, check. Do I still like it the way it is? We'll have to look at it for the rest of our days. So, neofetch. Then we explain to, well, it's to say we need to push this to our GitHub, to, well, it's forked from, but it's on ours. So it's not yet pushed to the internet. It's pushed to this application here. So not there, not there, not there, not there. Did I close it? This we keep open. This we keep open. We don't want this, this we can change. So in the documents, neofetch, Control A, delete, Control A, okay, Control V. Have the same now, should be, and should have the same as what I've put in user bin. Space and all, it's there, the way I think he likes it. So the least amount of work, please make sure you don't waste people's time. Save. And now we need to push it. Now we have our own way of pushing things, so I don't know. Scripts are great, right? Scripts are great. Where are you? Scripts are great, but like I said, the script we do is this. Poof. This needs to go to my system. This is my system. Config github.com ArcoLinux ISO neofetch git. It's going to my system with a few commands. All right. And I still have time to think about it. After I've pushed it to Dylan, yeah, then, right? So I don't have any scripts. I need to type everything. So git add all git command not found. Okay, maybe with a T. This operation must be run in a working tree. Okay, sorry. Up here. My apologies. Voila. Then read input, that's something else. We are going to type the input -m, and input is Carli edit. Okay. Create mode neofetch hours. Oh, this one needs to go. This one needs to go. And again, hopla, and again, hopla. Delete mode neofetch hours. And then we push this to the internet, which means git push -u origin main. We'll see. No, master. It's an older GitHub for sure. Voila, it's online. Shall we check? What are you going to ask Dylan? We're going to ask Dylan to Carli edit. Twice. Okay, why twice? Let's have a look. So check out what changed. Carli 1, Carli 2, and we've put this in between. I changed a few lines there. Whoa, there is more. Okay. I think it's the same browse files. Yeah, there's a new neofetch hour. Now fetch hours had to go. So the only difference strange thing is the spaces here. My system probably deleted some spaces. That's annoying. Because I want you to tell, don't go changing things. This is difficult to merge. So it's still good until 555. Apereo GNU Linux. Why and what happened to it? Still looks okay. It still has spaces in front of it. And at the end, the very end, I guess we deleted the main. Now I don't want to bring him in trouble, for sure. So this is what we did. Control V. It's on my desktop. Check. I'm gonna go do it all over again, just because I don't want to waste his time. And for me, it doesn't cost me anything. I just go to neofetch and I just go to settings, delete repository, then go back to neofetch, okay, then fork it to ArcoLinux ISO, then I have a fork, take the URL, go to here, this is the neofetch old, and I'll git clone it again. Okay, so this one and this one, I can compare that as well. The only thing that has changed should be Carli. Check. Control find, voilà. Carli, check, and control find this one in there. Stop. Well, why does he not say that everything is okay? Let's save. Phew. Okay, so these are the issues. My system is replacing the tabs with spaces. Is that it? This is coming, this is the original. Let's see. Do not touch anything anymore. So this one needs to be pushed to the internet again. Now it's all in our machine. We can just go up. Git add all. Nothing left from me. No. Git add all. Command not found. Yeah, that's the wrong commit. Git. Okay. And then git push. Wait, no pushing. Carli added. Okay. Fine. And then we push. And then we have a look. So he sees only this. He sees Carli, and he sees that. Bam! Yes! Okay. And then I ask for a pull request. Welcome to pull requests. Help you collaborate and code with other people. As pull requests are created, they'll appear here in a searchable, filterable list. You should create a pull request. Okay. So that's his. That's ours. And that's our code. And he sees that I want to add Carli. And it says, okay, this looks good, looks not good. We'll get input. And we need to create it. Yep, there's not much else to see here. Create pull request. I don't know how to formulate it. Maybe there's something everybody does. Add logo for Carli distribution. Your for Carli project, ISO, whatever you want to call it. Description. Explaining how to add ASCII logo to explaining how to add an ASCII logo to your Linux distribution. Articles and videos. Go on. So he knows we try our best so that people report to him in a proper manner. Everything is okay. So that's good. Add logo for Carli project. Anything else? Politeness never hurts anybody. Thanks in advance. Voila, create pull request. Eric, if you click this button, this is it. Are you sure? Thinks me out a scene of IT crowd. Are you sure? Are you sure, Jen? Are you sure? Are you sure? The stress. Do I like it? Can it stay? Yes, of course you can still change it, but right? Get it right the first time. Get it right the first time. You are giving people work. As you see, 77 people already want something. There are 79 issues open. I mean, he's got a lot of work and I guess a life as well. All right, boom, gone. We're in here. Fusion X. This is how it's gonna look. The video is at an end. I hope it became a little bit clear how we do this. Now it's time, right? In the beginning, it's ArcoLinux. We first had our own neofetch, right? This code, you can build your own package with this code. So we used something like ArcoLinux neofetch or something. And basically, if people type neofetch, boom, they got it. But in essence, you just have to wait till it's in there and that the package is created by, let's have a look. Where is neofetch coming from? Is it ArcoLinux? Is it AOR? It's important. And I think it's gonna be Yeah, we have our own stuff, but it's coming from Arch. That's the line. That matters. So it's either wait or build your own package with already the code in there, and then of course it recognizes your distribution. So that's the time in between, right? But just wait and he'll get to it. All right, cheers.